Let's unite together for an historic cause. No matter which cause you're passionate about, there's a way you can have a meaningful change within Onpassive. People have always been somewhat divided, but it's never been this divided in today's world, and people have rarely been this angry. The divisions have rarely been greater: political, economic, racial, geographic, ideological, theological, and more. COVID and the political polarization that have ensued has only magnified the challenge. The future doesn't show any signs of uniting people automatically. In fact, left unattended, the divisions will likely only grow deeper and wider. One of the key tasks of leadership is to unite people around a common cause. We have that within Onpassive, to help the needy with a proprietary ecosystem. That's what leaders do, and that's what we have within Onpassive. In the end, as a leader, you have to be prepared to let toxic people go. There's a small but militant group who are not open to anything, anyone, and resist anything but their own. They'll leave, and you should let them go. Once the cancer leaves the body gets healthier. The challenge in leadership is to see life in perspective, but keep your heart fully engaged. There are a lot of people left, very good people, and a very good God. Keep your heart open for them. To lead effectively in time of division, focus on what unites the people you lead, not what divides them. We are all people trying to do our best with fears, hopes, dreams, insecurity, needs, and people we love. That's a lot of common ground. Focusing on what unites you, not what divides you, is not just a great way to build unity, it's a great way to move into the future together. In good times and in bad times, your job as a leader is to remind everyone why you're doing this mission in the first place. That's why your why is your best friend. The time now is to unite and change the world for the better. That's our mission. Do or die is our motto for future generations to come. Warm regards, your fellow legacy leader, Robert Tantullo.